All right, the first technology I've selected for this assignment is Go Noodle. I've heard of it a lot at my school. I've never used it. I did create a free account for this. I've heard about it before because I know a lot of our teachers use it in class to get their kids up and get them moving. So after going through this, I just thought it would be cool for us. We do a thing in our gym class or PE class that we do instant activities, and we use a projector sometimes for those. But that's what I'm gonna have to do for all of these in my class. I think this assignment's a little tougher for me, just because we don't use a lot of technology other than our projector. But what we can do is we can use this, and I say we because I have a co-teacher that's in there with me, and so everything we do is together. But one of the first ones, I obviously was health education. I clicked on. This is a video, and it's just talking about. This is an ad, but it's just talking about just the importance of getting a good night's sleep. So this one is something that we could do uh, more at like the end of class and kind of calm everybody down, and show this, and just as they're going on a weekend or whatever, it'll talk more about it. But that's just a quick example. I teach grade school, so K through 5 are what I do every day, and we have all those kids every day. Now we only have certain classes once or twice a week, but that is it. So then the other, I went through here, and then the other one is down here, and they've got a bunch of stuff, and they've got workouts down here. So this is another. This is a great one for an instant activity that we could do, and this just has, shows you. And we could do this with our entire class, standing out with it on the projector. So this would actually be really cool. They would have a lot of fun with this. The standards that I'm using for this particular video is 5D, and it just talks about developing the skills needed to lead and navigate changes, in advanced systems. And this, I think, would be just because nobody, in our school, or at least in our physical education department, uses Go Noodle that I'm aware of. It's just me, myself, and my co-teacher now, and then there's others in the past. I don't think anybody's used it. And the other one would be 1A, which is just ensure that all the students have skilled teachers. And this is just me getting better with technology and finding ways to use it in a physical education setting. So that would be it.